The following video is based on a real New York court case law. Viewer discretion is advised. The plaintiff sustained injuries when the vehicle in which she was a passenger was struck at an intersection by a vehicle operated by the defendant. Following the accident, the plaintiff experienced various symptoms including difficulty sleeping, fatigue, ringing in the ears, anxiety, neck stiffness, headaches, and back pain. A chiropractor diagnosed her with whiplash, cervicalgia, neck pain, and segmental and somatic dysfunction of the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar regions, suggesting that her prognosis for recovery was favorable. However, the chiropractor's diagnosis did not encompass a concussion, which is outside the scope of chiropractic practice. 9 days after signing a release agreement that was intended to resolve any claims arising from the accident, the plaintiff sought further medical evaluation due to worsening symptoms. Medical professionals at a hospital later suggested the possibility of post-concussion syndrome, but it was not confirmed until 2 weeks after the release was signed, when a neurologist diagnosed the plaintiff with post-concussion syndrome, which was later confirmed to be a mild traumatic brain injury. The Supreme Court initially granted the defendant's motion for summary judgment, effectively dismissing the plaintiff's complaint based on a release she had signed after the accident. This release was argued to bar her from any legal action against the defendant. However, the plaintiff appealed this decision, arguing that the release was signed under a mutual mistake, as neither party was aware of the full extent of her injuries, specifically the concussion and traumatic brain injury, at the time the release was executed. The appellate court unanimously reversed the lower court's order, finding that there was indeed a triable issue of fact regarding whether the release was signed under a mutual mistake. This was based on the evidence that the plaintiff's injuries were initially misdiagnosed and not fully understood by both parties at the time of signing the release. The court determined that there was sufficient reason to believe that the release might not represent the true intent of the parties due to this mistake. As a result, the appellate court denied the defendant's motion for summary judgment and reinstated the plaintiff's complaint. The appellate court's decision underscores the importance of ensuring that all parties fully understand the extent of injuries before signing any release agreements following an accident. It is crucial for individuals to seek comprehensive medical evaluations from appropriate healthcare professionals immediately following an accident to avoid the risk of unrecognized injuries that could impact future legal rights. Moreover, if there is any uncertainty or ongoing medical assessment, parties should refrain from signing releases or settlements that might prevent them from seeking further compensation should additional injuries or conditions become apparent later. Legal counsel should always be consulted before signing any agreements, particularly when significant injuries or complex medical issues are involved. This case illustrates that a thorough understanding and clear communication regarding the injuries and the potential for additional medical diagnoses are essential to protect one's legal rights fully. For more details, check out the video description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on U.S. case law. Thank you for watching.